In Katli, you can attach tracking pixels to short links to run retargeting campaigns. Let me show you how to add a pixel to a short link. Open your Katli dashboard and find the short link you want to track. Click the pixel setting icon. Here you can add retargeting pixels to your short links. This allows you to track users who click the link and use the data for advertising campaigns. If you already saved your pixel in Katli, you can simply select one from the list. Then click Add. You can also add new pixel manually. Select the platform, then enter the pixel ID and click Save. After saving, the pixel will appear in the list of active trackers for the link. You can remove it at any time. You can also manage your saved pixels. Here, you can store your pixel IDs and reuse them across multiple links. This is very useful for marketing campaigns and retargeting ads. Now you can track users who click your short links. Subscribe and try it yourself at Katli.